Colegio Patria, 2025 to 2026. Presents Social Impact Project by Emilio Alejandro Temso, Group 206. The Ethics of Privacy in Public Spaces. Introduction. In parks, streets, and other public places, there are security cameras and technologies capable of recognizing people's faces. These tools help keep us safe, but can also affect our privacy and our right to not be constantly observed. Theoretical and conceptual framework. Privacy is a human right that protects individuals from being observed or interrupted without their consent, allowing them to control the information they choose to share. However, in public spaces, this right becomes more complex due to the constant interactions with others and the presence of technologies that facilitate surveillance. What are cameras and facial recognition used for? Cameras record and help prevent theft, fights, or prevent a crime. Facial recognitions help identify people quickly. These technologies assist police and governments in protecting people. These technologies can be useful for safety, but they can also be used to control people. Even in public places, we have the right to not be constantly monitored. Constant surveillance can make people feel uncomfortable or afraid. Record data and image must be handled carefully to protect people's privacy. Distinction between privacy, confidentiality, and anonymity. Privacy: the right to keep certain personal aspects protected from public knowledge. Confidential: the commitment to protect